Evernote has been around for years, and it's still one of the most well-known note-taking apps out there. But does it actually offer, and is it worth using today? Now, at its core, Evernote is built for capturing and organizing information. You can write notes, clip web pages, attach PDFs, record audios, and even scan handwritten documents. Everything gets stored in notebooks with tags, making it easy to search and retrieve later. The search function is one of its biggest strengths. It can even recognize text inside images and scan documents. On top of that, Evernote syncs across devices, so your notes follow you, whether you're on desktop, tablet, or mobile. It also integrates with tools like Google Drive, Slack, and Outlook, which make it useful for both personal organization and collaboration. Now, the free plan, which we can see, it's not there. Oh, there it is. It gives you the basics, but it's pretty limited, like only being able to sync across 2 devices. The paid tiers, however, unlock offline access, more storage, advanced search, and better integrations. Prices have gone up over the years. That's one of the biggest complaints from longtime users. User feedback is mixed. Some swear by it as their all-in-one productivity hub, while others feel newer apps like Notion, Obsidian, or OneNote offers more flexibility for less money. There's also been concerns about performance and whether Evernote has kept up with the modern competitors. So, is Evernote worth it? If you need a reliable, feature-rich, note-taking app with powerful search and don't mind the subscription cost, it's a strong option. But if you're after more customization or a free alternative, it may not be the best fit.